So you can look at numbers 6 and 7. Page 320. Manufacturer fills an order of 4,200 smartphones. The quality inspector selects a random sample of 60 and finds that 4 are defective. How many smartphones in the order are likely to be defective? So we're looking at a total 4,200, and we don't know how many. But out of the sample, there are 60, and out of those 60, we know that 4 are defective. So now we need to cross multiply and divide to find x. So 4,200 times 4. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 2 is 8. And 4 times 4 is 16. So we would have 16,800 equals, now if we cross multiply here we get 60x. So now we need to divide by 60. So we'll have 16,800 divided by 60, and we'll get x. So we can just cross off these zeros. 6 goes into 16 twice. 6 times 2 is 12. Subtract and we get 4. Bring down the 8. 6 goes into 48 8 times. 6 times 8 is 48. Minus and get 0. We have one more 0, so we have to add that, and the last 0 is canceled. So we expect about 280 smartphones in the order likely to be defective. 7. Part of the population of 4,500 elk at a wildlife preserve is infected with a parasite. A random sample of 50 elk shows that 8 of them are infected. How many elk are likely to be infected? So we have a sample of 50. Out of those 50, 8 of them are infected. So we want to know how many out of 4,500. Again, we'll cross multiply here. 4,500 times 8. 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 4 is 32. Plus 4 is 36. So 36,000. So you get 36,000 equals 50x, because we multiply 50 times x. Now we need to do 36,000 divided by 50. Again, here we can cross out these last zeros. 5 goes into 36 7 times. That's 35. Minus and get 1. Bring down a 0. 5 goes into 10 twice. 5 times 2 is 10. Minus, get 0. We have this last 0 to bring down. 5 goes into 0 0 times. So we expect, so there are likely, we expect 720 elk to be infected.